Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll share the top 5 ways to fix the Windows script host error on Windows 10 or 11. This issue may arise due to corrupted system files, malware, registry errors, or VBS script file problems. I'll guide you through the troubleshooting steps to resolve it quickly, so let's get started. The first step is a basic one, running a full scan on your PC. This process will take some time, because it's designed to completely remove any viruses or malware from your computer. To begin, go to the search icon on Windows 11 or 10, type Security, and select Windows Security. Under Virus and Threat Protection, if it's turned off, make sure to turn it on. Once it's enabled, click on it. You'll see an option for a quick scan, but don't choose that. Click on Scan Options and select Full Scan. Then, click on Scan Now. The scan will take time, as it will check all your computer files, applications, and features. Be patient while it runs. Once completed, move on to the next step. The second step involves checking the default value for VBS through the registry. Press the Windows and R keys together to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and click OK. Then give permission by clicking Yes. In the registry editor, navigate to HKEY_classes_root and scroll to find VBS1. Once you locate it, double-click on it. On the right-hand side, double-click Default, and in the Value Data section, type VBS file, exactly as shown, for it. Afterward, click OK and minimize the registry editor. Next, we'll perform a system check using the SFC and DISM scans to restore the health of your computer. Open the search bar, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator. Grant permission by clicking Yes. Now paste the first command, which you'll find in the description box, and hit Enter. The scan may take a while, so be patient. Once it's completed, paste the second command and wait for it to finish. Then, run the second command. All commands will be listed in the description, but remember to wait until they've all completed. The fourth step is to run the Microsoft Safety Scanner. You'll find the link in the description box. Open the website. Choose the version that matches your system, 32-bit or 64-bit, and click on it to download. After it's downloaded, click Next, and then run a full scan to check for any remaining issues. Once you've completed all the steps, restart your PC. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.